To another video. First of all, I know y'all looking at my head like, ooh girl, yuck, but in this video I am going to be doing something to this head, and it looks so bad, y'all. I just got through working out, so it's a little rough. Please forgive my hair, okay? I'm taking you guys inside the drugstore with me to show you different types of products that you can use on your hair while you're in quarantine. Stuff that is really affordable and accessible to you guys. Being a hairstylist, I do use professional products, but my clients ask me all the time what type of products should they use on their hair until they can get to the salon. And so this is for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me doing my hair also, because girl, listen, it needs to be done. So if you are interested in this type of content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I am at Kroger right now. So I probably would recommend this. This is the Reckon if your hair is shedding a lot. And I hope you guys can hear me because I have a mask on. But they have a ton of good products that you can use here. But I'm going to say okay, so this Tresemme, this is a good first shampoo option. If your hair is like really dirty, you can use this. It's the Tresemme, and it's called Clean and Replenish. And then you can go behind that with the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. And this one is the Moisture Rich. That one is really good too. But I think I am going to use my Old Faithful, which is the Aussie, and the moist conditioner, and it's 2 for $10 right now, so that's the best value. So I'm gonna go with that one. I am going to be doing something to this head. As you can see, oh my gosh, it's been weeks since I've done something to this hair. Y'all see my gray hair popping out. Yeah, it's time. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a wand set on stretched hair. Like I said in my previous clip, I'm going to be using some of the products that I got from the drugstore. So this is my hair starting off, and if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking in the mirror over here. But this is my hair starting off. I think I flat ironed my hair about 3 weeks ago. I did a flat iron on my hair, and then I've just been wearing it flat iron. It did rain a couple times, so it's starting to revert back. I'm also suffering from a lot of postpartum shedding, so I've been shedding, and I don't know guys, I don't know when it's gonna stop. See, like every time I comb through it, I'm so scared to wash it because I'm afraid to see all the shedding that's going to take place. But I just wanted to show you guys my hair before it's been cleaned and washed. Here's a back view of it. So even my edges are like suffering. Like my edges are, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so this is what this is what my hair looks like, all blown out and clean. So I'm just going to, my roots are just like a little bit damp. So this is what my hair looks like when it's been blown out with the cool dryer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to part my hair in sections, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit just to get my roots dry, because I find that if your hair is even just like a little bit damp, it's not gonna last at all. And this hairstyle already is like, you really have to maintain it well in order for it to really last really good. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm gonna come back when it's all parted and dry. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my hair parted and ready to go. So I just blow dried my hair on a cool setting. And it's nothing wrong with blow drying your hair on a warm setting. You can do whatever you like, but I just wanted to, I didn't want to use too much heat on my hair just because I haven't been using that much heat on it. And if you see me looking out of the camera, I'm looking in the viewfinder, y'all. So help me, y'all. Help me get used to this, okay? So I'm going to be using the Cantu thermal shield, and I only got a little bit left because I really like it. Like, and then I'm going to be using just a tad bit of the Care wax on my hair, and this is just to help with the frizzies and just to stretch the hairstyle as long as it can go. So I'm going to also be using, you can use a wand, but my wand is not smaller. I mean, it's not really, I think my wand is about a 2-inch and this is a 1-inch, and I find that using the smallest size that you have, and I know they make wands, but this is just my favorite. I mean, it just really holds my hair the best. So this is about a 1-inch curling iron. You can use a wand, like I said, if you have, use what you have at home. I just find that using a curling iron makes it last a little bit longer. So let's get started. So I'm just going to be cutting off my hair in the back, and I left a lot of the texture in my hair. I didn't want to blow dry it like bone straight, because I find that the straighter I blow dry my hair, it's like my style doesn't last as long. You see? That's the first one, girl. You gotta be real careful back here too, y'all. Don't mind my edges, because like I said, I'm going through postpartum shedding, and my hair has just been shedding. My edges are kind of, they're starting to come back, but Lord, they're suffering right now. So please don't come for me in the comments, because my edges, they just, they clear, they're there. You're just gonna be really careful in this back part too, because Lord knows you do not want to burn yourself. Keep it moving. Ooh. And I like, whenever I wrap my hair, I like count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I let it go. And see, this is what you want. You want a really tight curl. These are a little bit looser than I like them, but so I'm taking smaller sections because I want my hair to be really full, and I find that if you blow dry your hair out a little bit too straight, it takes away from the fullness in your style at the end. and that one came out good. So I'm just gonna go through all my hair. I didn't unplug the curling iron. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through each section and wand curl everything, and then I'm gonna come back when I get to this section, because I purposely parted it this way so that this section can like lay in front of my face. I don't really like to do a part. You guys will see at the end exactly what I'm talking about, but I like for it to be heavier in the front, so that's why I have this section right here. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do all these sections, and then I'm gonna come back when I get to this section up here, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in and staying to the end. If you enjoyed this content, I hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.